So the question is to find the angle between these straight lines. So to get the angle between the two straight lines, we make use of the formula that tan theta is equal to the magnitude of m2 minus m1 all over 1 plus m1 times m2. So that is the formula we are going to use. So where m1 represents the slope of the first straight line and m2 represents the slope of the second line. So, and the angle here is theta. So when we solve this, we are going to substitute tan theta will be equal to your m2. So m2 is the slope. So how do we get the slope from the equation? So we can watch here. If this is our first equation, we have that from the equation of a straight line, that's y equal to mx plus c. So m represents the slope here. So if you compare this equation with these other equations, you see that this represents the slope here, which is our m1 since it's the first line, and this represents the slope here, which is our m2. So by comparison, you see that these are m1 and m2. So now we can substitute into the equation. Now you can decide to use this as your m2 and use this as your m1. The result will still be the same. So for here we'll be using this. So we have m2 is 3, so which is 3 minus m1. m1 is 4 all over 1 plus m1, which is 3, times m2, which is 4. So this is 3 and 4 for m1 and m2. So now, if we multiply, we are going to see that this will give us the 3 minus 4 all over 1 plus multiply 3 and 4, we are going to be getting 12. So this is what we have. So that means tan theta is equal to this. So if you solve further, you'll be having 3 minus 4 is minus 1 all over 1 plus 12 is 13. So we have this magnitude of this. So this magnitude means that the result must be positive. So that means tan theta will be equal to 1 all over 13. So 1 all over 13 because of the magnitude sign, so you convert it to positive. So we have this. But the question is to find the angle, not the tangent of the angle. So we are going to remove the tan to this other side so that we'll be having that theta will remain, then tan will move over and become tan inverse of 1 all over 13. So this gives us